approach is a little bit different because our clients do not immediately talk the CMIS protocol, but they connect to a Java interface or to a Java infrastructure, which we built on our J2EE engine, which mainly has an API, which mainly covers today everything about content management, and it has a connector interface, SPI, where you can add multiple connectors which then connect to the repositories. And one of those connectors is implemented using a SAP CMIS client, and this one allows us then to connect to the several CMIS repositories. So yes, as application on top, we have a generic WebDynpro application which allows browsing. I will show that later. In addition to that, we have a WebDev server. So that means every repository is connected to that infrastructure, can also be paused via WebDev. And of course, our SAP business applications are able to use the different repositories via the API. And the idea is that the customer is then able to exchange the repository just to use this repository he wants to use. For example, if a customer has already an OpenText system in place, he can exchange the SAP delivered repository when the next repository is something else. So this is our WebDynpro test client. Oh. So here you can choose the different connectors which are available. The first one is the Alfresco one. Here you can browse through the hierarchy. You can, on the right hand side, you see all the properties. Of course, you can create new folders, and you could upload files and so on. So the same works just by switching from Alfresco to OpenText. Here I can browse the OpenText repository. And again, see on the right hand side properties. Yeah, in addition to that client, I said that we have the WebDev server implemented, and we have a WebDev client, which as well plugs into the Windows Explorer. So I log on here to the Alfresco system, for example. I can browse now the Alfresco system via the Windows Explorer. I can also show the properties. This dialog is a little bit slow. Here it comes. So here you see all the CMIS properties. You could modify them here, and so on.